Acompáñenme a maquillarme. I needed to do a purple look. It's my favorite color. And I really liked how it turned out. This is the Milani concealer. And just gonna prep my lids with that. And then just pat it in. I'm using this Profusion palette, and I'm taking the lightest shade from the palette, and I was doing that to set that concealer. And then with this same brush, I just wipe it off on a towel. Let's see, which one should I take? I'll do this purple, and then if we have to use a lighter shade for transition, I'll do that. Well, actually, let me switch my brush. I'll use this one. Let's see how that. That Willy Wonka story is so funny. They've been giving it on the news all day. The parents were scared that they were in a actual like drug lab den. That's funny. So I'm just gonna keep building that purple. Okay, so I am gonna buff that out a bit with this super light purple right over it. Okay, that's better. And then I'm gonna darken up the outer corner and crease. I'm dipping in between that dark purple and black. And I'm gonna go right in between my brow bone and my crease. And then on the outer corner. We don't worry about this because I'll wipe that off with a makeup wipe or a Kleenex. Okay, and then I'll go back to the light purple and right over. And then blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna use the Milani concealer to create a little half moon. So I'm gonna add, of course, some shimmer and I forgot I have to do the other eye. So I'll just keep on tapping that. I'm taking that shimmer and I think I'll just use my finger and see how that goes. Oh, that's fine. And just keep patting. That's pretty. And then I'll darken my crease a little bit more. And I forgot I still have to do the other side. I'm gonna take a little pointed brush like this and I dab between the dark purple and the black. And make sure you just tap it out. And just to darken right over where I created that crease. Purple is my favorite color. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then I will be back. Okay, ahora viene lo bueno. I went to H-E-B and I returned the other liner. So if you ever buy something at H-E-B and you don't like it, even if it's makeup, even if you've already used it, you can return it. I usually have my receipts. I'm not 100% sure if you need the receipt. Okay, so I'm gonna start by, well, first of all, okay, this one's way better than the other one I had. So again, I am going to go a little bit below my lower lash line so that my hood doesn't completely make my liner disappear. It's so quiet. When my kids were smaller, my house was, I have 3 boys. Of course, if you have boys and then 3, there'll always be noise, but now they're grown and it's so quiet. I hate it. So I use the lightest hand. Es que se me pegan las pestañas. Okay. And then I'll connect that. Oh, that's fine. And then if I want it a little longer after I put my lashes, I'll make it a little longer, but that's fine. Okay. I'll do the other side. Okay, so I am doing lashes. I already clipped them. I just clipped them in half. Wait, flatten this out a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna try and go as fast as possible. It took forever on my eyes. This is the Revlon Color Stay, I want to say. Yeah, Color Stay pencil in soft black. This is Hard Candy Brow Gel. I've only found it at Walmart. And then I just worked that through. But once it kind of starts drying, I just leave it because it will start to flake. I am going to color correct. I always color correct. If I just go in with concealer, my under eye circles would just kind of look gray, which is not cute. And then I use a darker orange on my upper lip and pat this up with the same little sponge. This is from Milani. And then I'll apply concealer on this because it's a darker orange and I don't want that to kind of seep through. I am trying out this foundation. And I just stipple it on and then I'll take my beauty blender and buff it out. I keep saying beauty blender, this is just a sponge that I got on Amazon. They're pretty good. It's a pack of like 9 or 10, and I think for like 9 or 10 bucks as well. So we are doing concealer. The inner part is It Cosmetics, and then I do a darker shade. It's Lancome on the outer part. And then just pat, pat, pat. This is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, shade 10. This is number 7 powder, which is the dupe supposedly for Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. It is pretty good though. Contour the chin or the jaw. To the nose. I'm trying to hurry because it took forever doing my eyes. And then I pat that out. This is my holy grail luminoso. I'm always patting, pat, 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 never swiping, because if I swipe, I don't want to move the product that's already under. I am going to take an angled brush and line under my lashes. And then I'll take the purple and drag that. And then I'll add mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm gonna add a little shimmer to the inner corner of the eye because why not? And I wanted to go for like a pinky nude, more on the pinky side. That's cute. Adding some highlight. Así quedamos. Díganme si les gustó.